Hi, I'm June Munira with ApexPro Real Estate Group. Welcome to Bridgeland, an award-winning master plan community inspired by nature located in Cypress, Texas. Among Houston's trend-setting master plan communities, Bridgeland leads the pack. This community's premier location offers a life of convenience with exceptional schools, shopping, and entertainment nearby. You'll also find acres of lakes, parks, plus miles of trails. As a Bridgeland resident, you'll have exclusive access to some of the most unique amenities in all of Northwest Houston. Swim, work out, and play tennis at the 6,000 square foot activity center. Hike and bike on nature trails. Kayak, paddleboat, and canoe on the waterways. Birdwatch from Treehouse Park and the birding tower at Josie Lake. There's a desire to live in Bridgeland, and it's obvious why. To-do lists are to done, and the fun has just begun with convenient shopping, dining, and service options in Bridgeland. Whether you're looking for a craft coffee, quick snack, casual meal, fine wines or pastries, beauty or spa services, workout or dance lessons, you'll find that and much more at the Lakeland Village Center. The homes in Bridgeland are amazing too. Here at the In My Homes site, they offer homes starting at under $300,000. In My Homes is one of the nation's leading builders of quality single-family homes and is now building in Bridgeland's newest section, Parkland Village. With spacious floor plans, extra storage, and innovative layouts, it is easy to see why so many people love this community. Parkland Village is the closest section of Bridgeland to the new Cypress ISD campus and is benefited by quick access to Grand Parkway, offering easy commutes and quick access to Greater Houston. The possibilities are endless when you let us help you find your dream home. Next time you think about real estate, let us be the key to your next move.